Turbine Guy coming back at you with a definite buyer beware. If you think you're going to purchase, say, a bundle of solar panels for a good deal at places like Home Depot, Lowe's, Northern Hydraulics, wherever, buyer beware for more reason than one. What they list here is Renogy 10-piece 320-watt monocrystalline solar panel for RV, boat, shed, farm, home, house, rooftop, residential, commercial, and another house, I guess. They got 10 panels here for $3,000 or about $300 a piece. The first thing that's going to happen to you if you buy these from them instead of me is they're going to charge you sales tax. There are no sales tax in these products in Minnesota, but all the big stores or eBay or Amazon all charge you sales tax. So they're actually kind of stealing money from you, and you have to protest to get that money back. That's your first buyer beware. The second buyer beware is these Renogy panels are most absolutely definitely not tier 1 high quality solar panels. They're selling you these at $300 a piece, 10 of them for $3,000. And to me, that's extremely overpriced. I can get you a 400 watt Hanwha Q cell, high quality tier 1 panel for a little over $300. Do you want those or do you want what I can sell you? But that's not all. When you're buying them from places like Home Depot, I like to go down and look at the reviews. Well, they've got 12 4- and 5-star reviews. Don't think we're going to learn much from those, though. Where are we going to learn the truth about these panels? That's going to be in the 3 1-star reviews. Let's go take a look. First 1-star review, I bought 8 320-watt panels, and not a single panel can output close to 320 watts. I've tested them individually to my disappointment. You might get 240 watts out of one if you're lucky. I feel cheated big time. Next 1-star review. 2 of them were shattered, which I think meant when they got delivered, out of the 8 or 10 they bought, 2 of them were junk. But the best review, the most telling, right here, these panels are not legal to use on my home because they do not have a UL listing. What is Home Depot doing selling electronics without UL listings? This is a big box national store. Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, Northern Hydraulics, they all have requirements, and anything electronic sold needs to have a UL listing of a sort. And they're selling them without it. Now, the interesting part about all of this, not only did the guy have to take them all off his roof and return them and replace them, but Renogy's response. Hi, Dennis. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. Since we offer an off-grid system UL certification, wait a minute. What do you mean off-grid? It doesn't say that anywhere on the title. RV, boat, shed, farm, home, house, rooftop, residential, commercial, house. 4 times it says you can use these on your home. It doesn't say beware they're not UL listed and an inspector's going to catch you. Here's what really gets me. UL certification is not required as long as the state allows us to install such a system. That's not true. There's a national electrical code, and everything's controlled by that. And that states these things all have to have UL listings, whether or not they're low voltage or high voltage. The reason they get away with that, specifically, not because the state allows them to do it, but because low voltage systems are not inspected in most states because they do not provide a danger to people. You can touch both sides of a 48 volt system and not get zapped because it's not enough voltage to hurt you. Thus not inspectable. Thus you have people like Renogy here saying, hey, they allow it, which they actually don't. And I bet if you talk to any electrical inspector in your area, he would agree with the Turbine Guy. There you have it, folks. You really have to be aware when you're buying stuff like this from places like Home Depot. You think you're getting yourself a good deal. You think you're getting something that's going to move yourself forward, and all you do are get yourself problems. Buyer beware if you're purchasing anything that's not from a professional. And you can always talk to the Turbine Guy. Contact me. My email will be in the link. And if you need some renewable products for your own custom DIY system, talk to the Turbine Guy, and he's going to set you up. Turbine Guy, signing off.